I'm going to talk about the upcoming pattern and Earth's history. So I'm going to skip 8 or something. It shows nothing the whole time. That's why it takes so long. So 2 p.m. it gets light to moderate rain in light to moderate rain in Scarborough, Ontario. Mississauga, Wagon, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. Light to moderate rain in Wagon, Ontario. Mississauga and Brampton could get some light to light rain. In Hamilton could get some light rain. Niagara Falls City could get some light rain. Orangeville could get some light rain. Hondo, Ontario could get some light rain. Barrie, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. No, this is a different here. 8 p.m. So I can use like 8, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Except like 5 p.m. Yeah. Except 12 p.m. and 5 p.m. I won't use it because sometimes the storms just stay the same. So 8 p.m. So Hanma, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. Light to moderate rain. It's hot. Yes, light to mostly light rain. You could get some. Hamilton, Ontario could get some light to heavy rain. Mississauga, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. And Scarborough and Wagon and Stouffville could get some light to moderate rain, except Scarborough could get some light to moderate rain, and Wagon, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. Downtown could get some light rain. Downtown Toronto and Downtown Island could get some light rain. Peterborough, Ontario could get some light rain. Cuba could get some light rain. Niagara Falls City could get some light to moderate rain. And light to heavy rain is on Niagara on the Lake. No, nothing in Honda. So it's Mar- Bancroft, Gilmore City, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. 2 p.m. It's gonna be Hamilton, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. Mississauga and Brampton could get some light to moderate rain. Brampton is no, not Brampton. So downtown Toronto is gonna be light rain. Scarborough could get some light rain. Southern part. So around like Western Toronto could get some light to moderate rain. Scarborough, Ontario could get some light to light rain. Niagara Falls City and could get Niagara on the Lake could get some light rain. And Niagara Falls is gonna get some light rain, light to moderate rain, and Niagara on the Lake. London, Ontario could get some light rain. 8 a.m. Barrie, Ontario, not Barrie, Ontario. Keswick could get some light rain. Honor, Ontario could get some light rain or light rain. Niagara Falls and Niagara on the Lake could get some light rain. Orange, no, that was so 2 p.m. So around Toronto, actually Scarborough, Ontario could get some light to heavy rain or moderate rain. Mississauga, no, downtown Toronto could get some. So Mississauga, Ontario could get some light to heavy rain. Brampton, Brampton, Mississauga, Brampton, or mostly Brampton could get some light to heavy rain. It's a slight risk of thunderstorm, severe thunderstorm possible in Mississauga. Hamilton, Ontario is light to moderate rain. Light rain in Niagara Falls and Niagara-on-the-Lake is light to moderate rain. 8 p.m. Hamilton, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. Mississauga and Brampton could get some light to possible or dispute severe weather, possible severe weather. And downtown Toronto could get some same thing as Mississauga. So Toronto Island same thing as downtown Toronto. So Scarborough, Ontario, and a little bit of Scarborough. Vaughan and Richmond Hill could get some light to heavy rain possible in Vaughan. Vaughan, Richmond Hill, and Scarborough could get some light to heavy rain. Or Sunday weather gets better, moderate mixes up. Rainfall in the months. So 8 a.m. is going to get some light rain showers possible in north of Toronto, northwest, not northwest. Richmond Hill and Vaughan Hill, not Vaughan Hill, well, Vaughan and Brampton could get some light rain showers. And Hanwha, Ontario could get some light rain or light to moderate. Like Hanwha, Ontario is it's like light to moderate rain possible. So in next precipitation, so London, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain is possible. London, Ontario could get some light to moderate rain. So in precipitation and next total precipitation in next 5 days. So 41 millimeters of rain around Hanwha, yeah. Hanwha, Ontario could get some so 20 to 34 millimeters of rain in the next 5 days for Toronto, around Toronto. So like Niagara Falls could get some 28 degrees, 20 not degrees, 20 millimeters of rain in Niagara Falls. Niagara-on-the-Lake could get some 28 millimeters of rain in the next 5 days. Hamilton, Ontario is 38 millimeters. Quebec, Ontario is the 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters. So 8 millimeters. So on some Clank, not that. It's a Port Grampi is gonna get some 8 millimeters of rain. So Scarborough, Ontario, 16 millimeters of rain. So Vaughan, Ontario, or Brampton, Ontario could get some 34 millimeters of rain. Downtown Toronto is 24 millimeters of rain. 28 millimeters of rain in Toronto Island. So temperature, air temperature. Not feels like temperature. So 7 a.m. 21 to 25 degrees around Toronto. Hanwha, Ontario is 23 degrees. London, Ontario is 24 degrees. Niagara Falls, everywhere like Niagara-on-the-Lake and Niagara Falls City is 23 to 25 degrees. So every time when I say Niagara Falls, it's going to be Niagara Falls and Niagara-on-the-Lake. So Peterborough, Ontario is 24 degrees. Newmarket, Ontario is 24 degrees. Blue Mountains, Ontario, which is also Collingwood also counts, so it's 24 degrees. Barrie, Ontario is going to be like 24 degrees. So around Toronto is 27 to 37 degrees by 3 p.m. So 27 to 37 degrees around Toronto. Around Niagara Falls is 31 to 33 degrees. London, Ontario is 33 degrees. Peterborough, Ontario is 31 degrees. 31 degrees around Hanwha, Ontario. 33 degrees or 32 degrees around Barrie, Ontario. 7 a.m. 24 to 27 degrees around Toronto. 23 degrees around Hanoi, Ontario. 27 to 25 degrees around Niagara Falls. London, Ontario is 25 degrees. Peterborough, Ontario is 24 degrees. Newmarket, Ontario is 25 degrees. 27 to 32 degrees around Toronto. Hanoi, Ontario is 27 degrees. 32 degrees in London, Ontario. Niagara Falls, Ontario is around Niagara Falls, Ontario is 30 to 33 degrees. Around Toronto, it's like 27 to 20, 27 to 32 degrees. Peterborough, Ontario is 29 degrees. In Newmarket is 29 degrees. Orangeville also. Cool down. So 21 degrees everywhere in Toronto. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is 22 degrees. And 18 degrees around Hanoi, Ontario. Newmarket, Ontario is 19 degrees. 19 degrees around Peterborough, Ontario. Quebec is 20 degrees. 22 to 24 degrees around Toronto. Newmarket, Ontario is 25 degrees. Hanoi, Ontario is 22 degrees. Peterborough, Ontario is 28 degrees. London, Ontario is 22 degrees. 23 degrees to 22 degrees around Niagara Falls. So the next hour, coolest. So 20 degrees are everywhere in Toronto and Newmarket, Ontario. Hanoi, Ontario is 19 degrees. Peterborough, Ontario is 19 degrees. Quebec is 20 degrees. Around Niagara Falls is 19 to 21 degrees. London is 20 degrees. Blue Mountains is 19 degrees. So 2 p.m. 19 degrees everywhere in Toronto. Newmarket, Ontario is 18 degrees. Peterborough is 20 degrees. Quebec is 20 degrees. 20 to 22 degrees around Niagara Falls and Niagara on the Lake. Hanoi, Ontario is 16 degrees. So in the next hours. London, Ontario is 19 degrees. Hamilton, Ontario is 18 degrees. Eighteen to 19 degrees around Toronto. Newmarket is 18 degrees. Peterborough is 17 degrees. Hanoi, Ontario is 17 degrees. 17 degrees around Hamilton. London, Ontario is 17 degrees. 19 degrees around Niagara Falls. Blue Mountain, Ontario is 17 degrees. So I'm gonna use tomorrow. So tomorrow, so I missed some places. So Newmarket, Ontario is 24 degrees. Peterborough is 24 degrees. Hamilton, Ontario is 23 degrees. London, Ontario is 24 degrees. So Newmarket, Ontario is 34 degrees. 31 degrees in Peterborough. Hamilton, Ontario is 31 degrees. London, Ontario is 33 degrees. And Barrie, Ontario is like 32 to 33 degrees. Quebec is 25 degrees. So 7 a.m. in Quebec. By tomorrow morning it's gonna be like 20 degrees. Quebec, Ontario.